Feel yourself grounded to the earth and lifted to the sky. Let the lower spine and sacrum relax. And now please turn side to side. Turn the whole body, look over the shoulder. Begin knocking on the lower spine and sacrum. This is the door of life. The arms are like empty sleeves. They just come in and slap on the body as the body moves the arms. Now come up around the waist area. This is called your chi belt, your center of vitality and digestion. And now up where the lungs and the heart meridians are, the lymphatic, up to the chest. Find your own breathing rhythm with this. Now up over the shoulders for release of tension from the shoulders and neck. Then we'll make our way back down again. Make sure that it's the body that's moving the arms. This is a spinal enlivening exercise. Find your own breathing with it. And back down to the door of life. This is a great warm-up exercise. Can be done anytime. And slow it down. And now just begin playing in the water waves around the body, the sea of energy. Feel how that sea of energy affects you each and every moment. Come to your Wuji posture, relaxed and ready. And now Buddha holds up the earth. Inhale and draw the breath up. Turn the palms facing the sky. Pause for a moment. Feel the connection between the sky and the earth. And then just let the arms float down. And just let yourself relax now. Feel grounded.